Here are a few ideas for decorating with indoor plants. Number 1 is hang plants from the ceiling or wall. This is a great way to save space and add some greenery to your home. Number 2. Group plants together on a shelf or plant stand. This creates a cohesive look and adds a pop of color to a room. Number 3. Use plants to create a living wall. This can be done by hanging plants on a wall or using a vertical garden system. Number 4. Place plants in unexpected places such as a bathroom or in the bedroom. This adds a natural element to these spaces. Number 5. Use plants to add some privacy to a room. For example, you can place tall plants in front of a window to create a natural screen. Number 6. Incorporate plants into your home decor by using plant-themed artwork or by placing plants in decorative pots or planters. Number 7. Create plant-filled corner and nook in your home by grouping plants together and adding a cozy sitting area. Number 8. Use plants to add some colors to a natural color room. Choose plants with colorful flowers or foliage to add some visual interest. Number 9. Add plants to your outdoor living space such as on the porch or patio. This can help to create a connection between the indoors and outdoors. Hi everyone, I hope that all my lovely viewers and family members will be fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always keep smiling. First of all, welcome to my channel. I am very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching my all the videos. So friends, if you like these ideas, then friends, please like the video and share the video with your friends and family members. And if you have any suggestion related to home decoration or any ideas related to home decoration, then friends, put in the comment section. Your comment is very important for me and I am waiting for your comments. Goodbye, take care.